Namaste. I am Dr. K Sachdeva. I am going to start a new series, Data Analysis with R. There are going to be 15 to 20 videos. We are going to start from the beginning only, from the scratch only. You must start from this video. You can't do it with the second number video, third number video. No. You will have to start from the beginning of this video. In this video, I will introduce you to the R and I will introduce you how to download the R and how to start the R Studio. In my next video, we will start the data visualization and then slowly we will proceed with advanced level of data analysis. Each video will be of 10 to 12 minutes. It's not going to be a bigger video. When you listen, after listening each video, you will have to do an exercise. It will take only 5 to 10 minutes to do this exercise. The major commands will be put in description. You have to just copy it and paste in the R Studio. And you will be able to get the output. Later on with the exercises, you can change the data, you can change the numbers and see what are the results. Let us start the introduction to R. My channel is Dr. K Sachdeva. I request you to subscribe it to get the future videos and also the bell notification. The handle is at Dr. K Sachdeva. Now, the first thing you have to download R. R can be downloaded. Just Google R download. Or you can write down rproject.org, the latest version for Windows. If you are using Mac, then you will have to use download only the R for Mac. Usually most of the people they use Windows, so you have to download R. It will take 4 or 5 minutes. Install it. Okay. And then you have to download the R Studio. R Studios can also be downloaded for Windows base. You can download it rstudio.com download, or you can also download posit.co download. Just Google it, R Studio download. You can download it, but mind it. You have to first download R and then R Studio. If you first download R Studio, then it will search the R. Where is R? So R Studio works on R. R Studio is just usual interface. It's a user interface. Many things can be done there on the R Studio, but main working is in R. So you can download and start it. When you start it, R Studio, you have to start R Studio. Search in your window R Studio. It will be in the program files. And you can also see the R Studio. You can take it R Studio as a shortcut in your taskbar or on your desktop. And then whenever you want to start in the beginning, just click on the R Studio, it will start. When you start it, there will be 4 windows. Window number 1 will be code editor, where you are going to write the codes. Do not worry about codes. Nothing. Very easy commands. Just as you type, as you speak, you will get the coding. A few coding in the beginning with all my 15 to 20 videos. I will give you the coding in description. You have to just copy it and run it. That's all. And slowly, when you practice it, you will learn the codes and you will see how you can change the codes. Second will be R console. Whatever you are doing, will become here in the R console. The third window, whenever you are opening any data, whenever opening any database, so that workspace and history will come in this. And major outputs, files you have opened, and other things, packages which you are using, so this will be in the fourth window. So code editor, R console, workspace, history, and plots and files. R. Why we use R? See, there are many software which are very costly, but R is free and a powerful programming. Easy programming, just as you are see, open the database, view, like this. It's a powerful programming language for statistical computing and data visualization. Data visualization is best in R. You can also visualize data in Excel, you can also visualize data in other softwares, but R's visualization is better. R can be used to compute a large variety of classical statistical tests, including student's t-test, Wilcoxon test, analysis of variance, chi-square test, correlation analysis. It's also possible to use R for performing classification analysis such as principal component analysis, clustering. Many types of graphs can be drawn using R, including box plot, histogram, density curve, scatter plot, line plot, bar plot, which we are going to learn in the second video. Why you have to learn R? First of all, it's an open source. It is free. R is cross-platform compatible so that it can be installed on. It can be installed for Windows, Mac OS X and Linux. R provides a wide variety of statistical techniques and graphical capabilities. R provides the possibility to make research by embedding scripts and results in a single file. R has a vast community both in academia and in business. R is a highly extensible and it has thousands of well-documented extensions named R packages. The people which we feel the problem that for everything you'll have to download a package. But once you are accustomed to it, you will not feel any problem. For a very broad range of applications in the financial sector, healthcare, etc. It is easy to create R packages for solving particular problems. There are thousands of packages which you can download it, but if you are good, you can create your own package. The keyboard shortcut for zooming a pen, because I told you there will be 4 pens, you can zoom a pen for moving to the pen plus shift key. So shift control plus shift plus 2 will zoom the console. So control plus shift plus 2 will zoom the console. Use the same sequence to unzoom the console and restore the prior layout. There is an R Studio also, there is a command there. You can simply zoom it, you can simply delete the files, you can delete anything that I will tell you. Or click on the view, you can view the files. First of all, you will have to, after starting the R, you will have to create a subdirectory named R in your document folder, where you are going to work, save your files. So you will have to create one directory on the desktop. You can create it on desktop, you can create it on documents. From R Studio, use the menu to change your working directory. Under session, set working directory, choose that directory which you have created. Choose the directory you have created in step 1. Let us start RStudio. I have already downloaded R, and I have already downloaded RStudio, and I have created a shortcut for RStudio on my desktop. So I am going to start it now. So I have started the RStudio. It has got 4 windows, as I told you. And if you want to clean anything, now for instance, if you want to zoom, you need not remember Control Shift 2 or something. You can zoom it, or you can minimize it, just show it, and you can zoom it. You can there is a icon, see, small icon, zoom and minimize, zoom and minimize. Now here below there is a broom type where you can clean everything. I will clean it. I can just see my my cursor here. I can clean it. Okay. Now here there are many things here. The data files which I had opened earlier, they are showing it, and I want to clean it. There is a broom like this, clean, clear objects. It will clear it. Okay, are you sure? That was yes, I'm sure. Now here in the 4th window, there are files, there are plots, there are packages which you are using, and many things will come up. It's very easy, simple. Now you can use it like a calculator. 2 plus 3, I'm just writing it here, 2 plus 3, enter, so you will get 5. Okay, so you can see 2 into 2 into 5 plus 7. So it should be 17. It is coming as 17. So in this way, you can use it, you can do it. Okay. Let us see another calculator type things. Pi into 2 raised to power 3 minus square root of 4. So let us say how it works. So it is 23.1237 pi. Pi into pi means 3.14 into 2 raised to power 3 means 8 minus square root of 4, that is 2. So it will subtract it, and you are getting it 23.1327. The print command. What is that print command? I'm just writing it here. Say, I'm writing it here. E is just an array, any variable. E is what? It's an exponential of 1. Now print E. Print E means it will give you the results. Just enter it here, and it will tell you 2.71872. E exponential 1. Let us see. I'm putting the arrow up. Let me put it here too. Let us see. Now what is the result? I'm just entering it, 7.38906. Print letters. Okay, print letters. Just I will say print letters, small letters, print small letters. So it will give me A, B, C, D to Z. Now I want to print capital letter. So it will be LETTERS. It also gives you the hints, because many hints are coming here. So you can just write down, it will give you the capital letters. We will learn data visualization in the next video. In this video, you have learned how to download R, how to download RStudio. R should be downloaded first, RStudio later on, and then you can do small exercises which I have shown. I will show you the small exercises, the commands for small exercises in the description box. Thanks for watching.